Mood swings are something that we all experience from time to time, but did you know that they're often linked to our hormones? Hi, I'm Allie, one of the nurse practitioners here at Rejuvime. Hormones play a huge role in our mood. When levels of hormones like estrogen, testosterone, or cortisol fluctuate, it can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, or even depression. For both men and women, these changes can affect daily life and relationships. For example, women often experience mood swings during menstrual cycles, pregnancy, and even menopause. Men can also see mood changes whenever their testosterone levels drop. This could lead to irritability or even andropause, which is the male equivalent of menopause. The good news is that balancing your hormones through HRT can stabilize these ups and downs. At Rejuvime, we personalize treatment plans to help you feel like yourself again. If you're dealing with unexplained mood swings, it might be time to explore HRT as a solution. Reach out to us at Rejuvime Medical to learn how we can help restore balance and bring more stability to your mood.